If you've ever been frustrated waiting for someone to come by and install software, you're not alone. We know that sometimes you just need that program quickly to keep things moving. While some specialized software does require technology to step in, there is software that you can install on your own right at your fingertips through the company portal. The company portal is your one-stop shop for approved Pearland ISD software. That means you can install tools like Adobe Acrobat or your document camera software without submitting a ticket or waiting for a technician. Let's look at how to open it. You can find the company portal in two ways. First, click the Start menu, select All Apps, and then choose Company Portal. You can also use search on your taskbar. Just type Company Portal and select the app. Once inside, you'll see a list of available apps. You can browse or search directly for what you need. For example, if you need Adobe Acrobat, type it in, click Install, and your computer will handle the rest. The company portal makes it faster and easier to get the software you need without waiting. Next time you find yourself needing an app, check the company portal first. It might already be right at your fingertips.